Hey TikTok fam, ever heard of tardigrades? Let's dive into the incredible world of these microscopic superheroes. Tardigrades, also known as water bears, are tiny animals that measure about 0.5 millimeters in length. But don't let their size fool you. These creatures are tougher than they look. What makes tardigrades so amazing is their ability to survive in the harshest environments. They can withstand extreme temperatures, from near absolute zero to over 300 degrees Fahrenheit. But wait, it gets even crazier. Tardigrades can survive high levels of radiation that would be lethal to most other organisms. They've even been tested in the vacuum of space and managed to survive. Tardigrades can enter a state called cryptobiosis, where they shrink and lose almost all water content, allowing them to survive extreme conditions for years. When conditions improve, tardigrades can rehydrate and come back to life, continuing their journey like nothing happened. Talk about resilience. So next time you feel like life's throwing you curveballs, just remember the incredible tardigrades and their superpowers of survival. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please like, share, and subscribe.